Denmark Bros. Booze Reviews.
Where's the squirrel?
All right, so Mark, Louis, Denmark Bros, Denny's there, Pete's there. We're gonna try a barking squirrel lager from Hop City Brewing Company.
We're on the good side of the table.
5% alcohol.
Where it's from?
From Brampton, Ontario. Brampton, it's near Toronto. Oh. Okay,
What happened, eh?
enough is enough.
It's like the Toronto Maple Leafs.
Hey, what's wrong with Toronto? I love Toronto.
You suck.
He's doing the smell.
Smells like squirrel nuts.
I get it.
Squirrel testicles.
Okay.
Yeah,
There's nothing in there somewhere.
There's nuts in there somewhere.
get coconut off of that.
Squirrel's got some big nuts.
It's got some coconuts.
You got the fucking.
Smell coconuts.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah,
Smell like
it
that.
smells like nuts.
It smells like nuts.
Here, Pierre, come here. Come and have a smell. Come and have a smell of my nuts.
You know what? It smells citrusy, but I don't smell coconut, don't I?
You guys are nuts.
I do.
Yeah, I just puked a while ago, so maybe that's why.
You can juggle up.
Yeah, you guys are going to have to check out the link there at Slippery Pete. There's going to be, where is it?
Whoa.
Up here somewhere.
Whoa. Whoa.
Boy. You just puked a while ago.
Yeah.
It's got a skunky aftertaste.
Is that Toronto beer? Can you say?
Oh,
It's got a very bad skunky aftertaste.
yeah. Not for me.
No, I don't like that.
Pierre?
Mark can't drink this.
Pierre wants it.
It's a
Yeah.
squirrel.
What does it taste like?
Testicles.
Skunk. it tastes like
Big
skunk.
sweaty.
And a bag of testicles.
Big,
Come on.
big
Come on,
sweaty
Pierre.
testicles.
You can take it.
It
Don't
doesn't
forget
smell
to
bad.
keep it.
Come on.
Like I said, it smells citrusy.
Taste my testicles. Come on.
Less than
Fine,
an atomic fucking smash bomb.
Smash bomb. Pierre's drinking nuts.
Yeah.
You're right, it does.
Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes.
Yeah, like it's not bad, but I don't like the aftertaste.
Yeah.
I don't know how to
skunk
explain it.
aftertaste.
Yeah, it just has a
It's better than the Flying Monkey,
flash.
so I'll give it a 2.5.
2.5? Yeah, I'll give it one. Sorry.
One
There's
for
alcohol
alcohol.
in there.
Yeah, I would give it maybe
Don't like it.
7,
I would
6.
say 4.5.
4.5.
Yep.
So you like the Flying Monkey more than this?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. No,
One for alcohol.
everybody's taste, so. Out.
He's out.